What if I told you that your everyday objects, yes, the ones that you use without a second thought, are little marvels of science? Ever wondered how your microwave heats food in seconds or why your fridge keeps things cool even in summer heat? Today, we are going to pull back the curtain and uncover the hidden science behind your everyday items that we rely on. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your phone or microwave in the same way again. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Every day, we interact with objects that have become so common we hardly notice them. Yet, behind their simple exteriors lies a world of fascinating science. Let's start with something we all love, the microwave. It's the ultimate lifesaver, right? From reheating last night's pizza to popping a bag of popcorn for the movie night. But here's a question for you. Have you ever tried putting metal in a microwave? Please don't do it. Spoiler alert, it's not going to end well. But why? Microwaves work using, you guessed it, microwave radiation. This form of electromagnetic wave causes water molecules in your food to vibrate rapidly, generating heat. That's why your leftover pasta heats up, but the plate stays cool. And about that metal mishap, metal reflects microwaves, causing sparks that could damage your microwave. So the next time you're tempted to microwave that leftover foil wrapped sandwich, think twice. Now, let's take a peek inside another everyday miracle, the refrigerator. It's a hot day outside, but your ice cream is still solid as a rock. What kind of magic is that? Here's the secret. Your fridge uses a process called refrigeration, which relies on the principles of evaporation and condensation. A special fluid called refrigerant circulates through coils, absorbing the heat from inside the fridge and releasing it outside. It's a continuous cycle that keeps your food fresh and cool, even when it's scorching hot outside. Fun fact, the first refrigerators were actually based on the cooling effect of melting ice. Imagine using giant blocks of ice to keep your food from spoiling. Wouldn't be very convenient, would it? And now, let's talk about the most essential object of our times, your smartphone. We've gone from making it to cell phones to having a pocket-sized supercomputer that can do everything from navigating traffic to streaming cat videos. But how does it all work? Your smartphone's screen is a technological marvel called a touchscreen. It uses either capacitive or resistive technology. When you touch the screen, you're actually creating a tiny disturbance in an electrical field, which the phone detects and translates into commands. What's the brain all behind it? The microprocessor. This tiny chip, smaller than your fingernail, handles millions of calculations per second, enabling your apps to run smoothly. It's the same kind of processing power that once took up an entire room in the early days of computing. Now, here's something to ponder. What if our everyday objects became even smarter? Imagine a fridge that could automatically restock itself, or a microwave that could protect your cravings. It sounds futuristic, but we might closer to this reality than you think. The science behind objects is a reminder of human ingenuity at its finest. From the simplest action of heating food to the complexities of modern computing, these inventions make our lives easier and more connected every single day. But as we continue to innovate, we must ask ourselves, what's next? The next time you use your microwave or check your phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible science at work. If you enjoyed this peek at the hidden world of everyday science, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to SmartSphere for more fascinating insights. Until next time, keep wondering and keep exploring.